low.
Yeah.
Coolant temperature high. Coolant temperature high. Current low. Coolant temperature high. CHT 3 high. Coolant temperature high. EGT 4 low. EGT 2 low. Coolant temperature high. Coolant temperature high. Coolant temperature high. Coolant temperature high. Coolant temperature high.
Bravo Juliet, midpoint next call Charlie. Bravo Juliet.
Coolant temperature high.
Weird, isn't it? Temperature dropped down a bit, good. Go right to the bottom really. This is why I wanted the brakes working, love. Not unreasonable, is it?
Coolant temperature high.
Golf Echo Romeo, ready for departure.
Temperature high.
Golf Echo Romeo, Roger. There's a helicopter departed 2 or 3 minutes ago. I've got him in sight. He's well to the north of your track and climbing to 2,000 feet. Nothing else known to affect you. So he's cleared takeoff, right turn, report reaching 2,000 feet. Surface wind 290 at 10 knots.
Clear takeoff with right hand turn at Golf Echo Romeo.
Delta Charlie, we'll just copy that traffic and we're just routing out the eastern side of Fresco at the moment, 2,000 feet.
6,
Roger, have you in sight.
3, 50, 56, 63. Coolant temperature high. 66. 66. Coolant temperature high. 70. Coolant temperature high. CHT 2 low. 74. Coolant temperature high. 76. 76. 81. 86. 89. Goodbye.
Beautiful islands, aren't they? Okay now.
Charlie. Golf Bravo Juliet to Land's End, have your details. That's Bravo Juliet.
You can see Cornwall quite clearly.
And Delta Charlie, we're just approaching Q-Sound if that's okay, and then we'll turn back for a right hand circuit back into 27.
CHT 1 low.
Golf Delta Charlie, sorry, on the other radio, try again. I was just saying we're just coming back to Hugh Town and then we'll turn around and make a right